Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Angelo on Wheels. And guess what? Over here, I have a 2024 Mustang GT. This one is the base package. It is a little bit modified. It's got an aftermarket exhaust. This is a quick walk around. Let's check this thing out. So in 2024 was when they refreshed that style a little bit. So you got a slightly different grille, slightly different headlamps. And on the GT, you do get this vent here. It is a functional vent, gets the hot air out. All right, so let's take a look at this wheel. So this is the standard trim. So this is gonna come with 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. It does have the standard brakes, but those are actually Brembos. They're just not branded as Brembo, so that when you do get the Brembo package, it'll say Brembo, if that makes sense. So this color is called carbonized gray metallic. So I don't know if it's hard, it might be hard to see, but it's like sparkles in the paint. It's a little flare on the fenders here, you know. And it's got an aftermarket spoiler here, but it fits right in with the color and the shape of the car. So it does have the aftermarket exhaust, so that's going to be a Borla exhaust. If we check out this door panel, very straightforward. They haven't changed it much from the previous Mustangs. They just kind of updated it a little bit, so the styling is a little bit different. You get kind of like a carbon fiber plastic finish to it, or carbon fiber look to it here. Still a very nice design. The seats on this one is going to be a cloth seat. It's a very comfortable chair. You know, you do get the normal adjustments, your lumbar support, and then the space back there. You know, still you can't fit anybody comfortably there, but hey, who cares about who sits back there, really? Alrighty, so here we are inside of this 2024 Mustang GT. All the lamp settings are going to be here. Very nice shape to the steering wheel. Feels really good on the hands. Got your controls here, volume, different driving modes. So if we start messing with that, you're going to see different setups here. You can have your own setup. Check that out. Really nice graphics. We'll just put it in sport mode here. But as you can see, so when they updated the design on the standard trim, you get two screens here. If you go for a premium, it's one whole screen. I honestly like this one a little bit better than the one whole screen. It just looks, I guess it's personal preference. So on the display here, so you do have wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. You got dual climate zones, heated seats, very responsive. It's like 80 degrees out there. Let's bring this back down. And then over here you have different controls. It does have that on and off feature. I guess you can turn that off. Matter of fact, let's turn that off. What the little pony does here, just different setups. Customize your color, auxiliary gauges, traction control, hazards, some additional settings, and the climate settings right there. They've changed the texture a little bit. This is still very comfortable place to put your hands. Some storage in there. Your parking brakes right here. Backup camera. Backup sensors. Well, you know what? Let's go ahead and take this thing on the POV drive. It's kind of loud, but it does sound good. Alrighty guys, so let's take this Mustang GT on this POV drive. So this 5.0 has 480 horses and about 415 pound-feet of torque. And it sounds glorious. This one is brought to us courtesy of Apple Ford here in Columbia, Maryland. I'll put the links in the description. So Ford does make a custom exhaust where you can, it's a valve, so you can turn the sound on and off. So this one, they went the aftermarket route. So it's just gonna sound glorious all the time. You could just feel like the power's just on tap. Excellent response from those brakes. What's it like driving one of these? It's great, honestly, you know. It's a very nice driving position. You feel like you're in command. It responds to you. It sounds amazing. And it actually doesn't do too bad on gas. Check that out. 18.6 is the average for a 5.0 V8. That's great. Alrighty, guys. So we are going to open her up a little bit on this POV. Not too crazy. Alrighty, guys, let's go. Yeah, we're not gonna go too far. You know, we know this car puts the power down, so let's take this thing back. It does have all the safety features. Like right now, we're swerving off, and it was pulling me right back into my lane. So if I had it my own way, though, if I was in the market for one of these, me personally, give me a 6-speed. Give me a 6-speed transmission. That's the way that's the way I would have it, but you know, automatics are definitely great. Guys, we're back. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button. Let me get some feedback, leave a comment, subscribe. Like I said earlier, this car is for sale. We have over 100 vehicles for sale as well on the pre-owned side and a whole bunch more on the new car side. This is Angelo. Peace.